Is it a good time to invest in Microsoft stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Microsoft. Our initial report was released on our website on Monday, January 29, 2024, and today we're going to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you can stay updated with our latest analysis. It's vital not to miss any important updates that could potentially impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. You can tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has ranked Microsoft as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Microsoft has surpassed our expectations, with a gain of 9.35% since our recommendation to buy it 15 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.62% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the next trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has broken a strong short-term rising trend and indicates an even stronger rate of rising. Any potential pullbacks will find support at the previously broken trend level of $409.09, offering a possible second opportunity for gaining momentum. Based on fan theory, the next possible trend top level is projected to be $433.59, acting as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 10.62% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 3.83% to 10.45%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 40.72% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 21.58% to 46.13%. This indicates a price range of $498.13 to $598.72 after a year. Our latest update for Microsoft brings significant news. Microsoft stock has been downgraded from a buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Monday's trading session. On the last trading day, Monday, January 29, 2024, the Microsoft stock price experienced a 1.43% gain, rising from $403.93 to $409.72. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $404.33 and a high of $409.98, marking a 1.4% change. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 7 of the past 10 days and has seen a positive growth of 5.47% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 23 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $9.49 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a high of $409.98 and a low of $242.20. Currently, the price is 0.06% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $0.260. It's important to note that this is also the all-time high for the stock. Let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Microsoft Corporation (MSFT). On Monday, January 29, 2024, Piper Sandler upgraded their rating for Microsoft to buy. On Wednesday, January 24, 2024, Citigroup also gave Microsoft a buy grade, but with a hold action. Another positive rating came from Exane BNP Paribas on Thursday, January 18, 2024, as they upgraded Microsoft and rated it as outperform. However, on Friday, January 12, 2024, Piper Sandler had a different view and rated Microsoft as overweight with a hold action. Going back to Thursday, December 28, 2023, Wedbush also rated Microsoft positively, giving it an outperform grade along with a hold action. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a general rating of strong buy. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong buy rating. Microsoft stock has shown positive signals for potential growth. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals further supports a buy signal, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is expected support at $402.17 and $381.11. However, if the stock falls below these levels, sell signals may be issued. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, a buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 11.97%. Based on this trend, further growth is expected until a new top pivot is identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The volume of trades is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Today, I want to share with you some other signals that you might find interesting in your investment journey. First, let's talk about the moving average convergence divergence. This signal indicates a buy opportunity. Next, we have the pivot signal, which also shows a buy opportunity, but this signal was observed 30 days ago. Another interesting signal is the Bollinger signal, which suggests a buy opportunity and was observed 3 days ago. The short-term moving average signal is also a buy signal, but this one was observed 16 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signal also indicates a buy opportunity, and this signal was observed 16 days ago. Now, let's examine the relation between the short and long moving averages. This relationship showed a buy signal 13 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we find that the short moving average signal indicated a buy opportunity 16 days ago. The long-term moving average signal also showed a buy opportunity, but this one was observed 63 days ago. Similarly, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 60 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Microsoft stock. Let's start with the downside. The stock finds support just below today's level at $377.44 and $370.73. When a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Microsoft finds support just below today's level at $377.44. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $370.73 and $369.67. Moving on to the risk involved, this stock has average movements during the day and good trading volume. Therefore, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock moved $5.65 between its high and low, which accounts for approximately 1.4% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.22%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's first understand some key fundamental data. One important metric is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's PE ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records and stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 23, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Microsoft. When analyzing the stock, we notice that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates that under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it might be beneficial to enter a position and utilize volume indicators to determine the optimal exit point. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $377.44. If this support level holds, it presents a promising entry point with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Microsoft has a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Hoya Al sold 197,512 shares of common stock. On December 26, 2023, Hogan Kathleen T. sold 120 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Hoya Al sold 264,433 shares of common stock. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri bought 858 shares of restricted stock units. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri bought 277 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 8.698. In total, insiders purchased 397,455 shares and sold 329,274 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $396.69, representing a decrease of 3.18%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, which translates to a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is at 91, indicating a higher level of risk. We also have a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 29 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? While Microsoft does have some positive signals, we believe it may be more prudent to hold or accumulate this stock at its current level and wait for further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, January 30th, we expect Microsoft to open down by $1.71, starting at $408.01. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of financial loss. To make informed investment decisions, we highly recommend consulting with a financial advisor. Please note that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. Let us know what your target for the stock is as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.